Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anugrah Rajendra, number 6 in grade 11 MIPA Science 6. Here I will tell you about explanation of earthquake with videos and my dubbing. So let's go check it out. One of the most dangerous disasters for human being is earthquake. We all know that it has been noticed that powerful earthquake could destroy and sweep the entire thing on the surface only in one time quickly. Earthquake is the vibration on the surface of Earth, which is the result of a sudden release of energy in Earth crust that creates seismic effect. Seismic movement of a region mentions to the regularity, category, and range of earthquakes noticed over a period of time. At the Earth's face, earthquakes noticeable themselves by shaking and sometimes change of the ground. It is very dangerous when the effects are not only destruction by the earthquake itself, but also the generated disaster. When the epicenter of a large earthquake is located offshore, the tsunami might be happened. Earthquakes can also produce landslide and irregular volcanic movement. For the example, tsunami in Aceh was firstly led by earthquake where people did not have any experience before, and finally the huge wave traveled along the shore, destroying everything. An earthquake usually measured by Richter scale. The Richter scale assigns a level number to calculate the energy released by an earthquake. That the scale is a base 10 longitudinal scale. The Richter scale was defined in 1935 for particular circumstance and instrument. The particular circumstance referred to it being defined for Southern California. The Richter scale measured the energy released by an earthquake as calculated with a seismograph. An earthquake noticed 5.1 in the Richter scale has trembling amplitude 10 times that of an earthquake that registered 4.0. Earthquake early warning system use earthquake discipline and the equipment of monitoring systems to alert plants and people when shaking waves generated by an earthquake are probably to arrive at their location. Shock alert, CISN, and ANSS are the example system. Nowadays, every government tries to make a good system for evacuation when earthquake happened. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you know about why earthquake happen and all about earthquake from my video. Thank you. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.